Hello. In this video I will be demonstrating how to terminate a SC UPC 09 connector. First, install your back boot onto your fiber, your heat shrink tube, and place your fiber inside of your 900 micron holder. Make sure your heater settings are set to S09 and your stripper mode is set to 0.9. Strip. Clean your fiber. Cleave. Place inside your splicer. Break your heat shrink tube up to your tray. Place on your tray. Now prep your connector side. Red dot up into your holder. Strip. Clean. Cleave. Place into your splicer. Close your wind cover. When complete, open your wind cover. Allow it to perform the tensile test. Once it comes back to your main screen, remove your connector. Take your connector out. Slide down. Open your oven. Remove your spacer. Place in your oven. Close. Turn your oven on. When your light goes out, remove your connector. Place into your cooling tray. Let sit for 10 seconds. Bring your back boot up. Align the lines. Rock. Snap together. Install your front shell. Red dot up. Snap together. Your connector is complete. Thank you.